Hi everyone, I'm Sam. Welcome to Sunroom, and right now we're gonna open a new page for our EV3 Mindstorms program. And today what we're gonna do is let our brick to have light near the touch buttons on the actual brick and have a looping sound, as well as having a infrared sensor to walk along a wall. Now if we want to walk along the wall, we will have to use the loop. Of course, it's very important and very crucial to a lot of these programs. And after this, we want to get the brick status light on our green blocks, and this is what we have on our EV3 brick. And status is what it's currently at on our brick. As you can see, this is basically it. The second one is the sound, the looping sound. And let's just make another random sound. We can go to Lego sound files, animals, and the cat purr, or dog bark, whatever you want. And dog bark is my personal favorite. And our objective is to let it play once. But in reality, what we actually want is for it to repeat. And our third step is how to use the infrared sensor to walk along a wall. So we want to insert a switch, and for the first block we actually want an infrared sensor instead of a touch sensor, and go to compare and proximity, which is actually just distance. And right now we want to use greater than or equal to for our comparison. And let's do 35. So if it's greater or equal to 35, which is the distance, then it will go the top route. But if it doesn't, it will go the bottom route. So if it is, we actually want it to go right. And let's just not do this that quickly, and let's just do on, because that is how it works inside these loops. And if it's not greater than or equal to, then let's just do the opposite. It's going to go away from the wall with left turning on, and for 45 power. We are doing this with these directions just due to our positioning of our ultrasonic sensor. And because it's positioned on the right, we will actually make our program according to the right. But if your ultrasonic sensor is following a wall on the left and it's positioned on the left, you actually want it to be opposite of my program. So as you can see, it's maintaining its distance. Even though it's wobbly, it's always staying the same distance no matter on what surface, and this is due to the measurement and our programming. Make sure to play around with this and use different settings for your robot to make sure it works every single time. We can see that the bigger the first number is, the farther your robot will be from the wall. Next, let's watch this new program. It's actually basically the same thing, but in reality, the second one's numbers, or the second one's values are lower than the first one. And you have to note that the loop is actually on seconds. It's counting the seconds, and we can see that after a couple of seconds it starts moving inwards to the second loop. I'm a little prankster. Alright, yeah. Alright, so I spun. I'm basically literally OP. And thanks for watching, guys. Make sure to hit the like button.